Rejection fades, but regret lasts your entire life. That was the one sentence that really unlocked life for me and helped me overcome my fear of rejection. It turned me from someone who was always scared of being judged, always scared of being embarrassed in a situation, into someone who can now go into situations confidently and face rejection head on and be okay with it. And I really want to share this with you because it is so important for you to live the outgoing and positive and confident life that you deserve to be living and that we all obviously want to have. So I want to share with you a story of the absolute worst case. And this is a situation where I was really into this girl and I decided to push past my fear of rejection. So there was this girl, we'll call her Denise, and we had spent a lot of time together. We'd gone to the beach, a lot of time on phone calls late at night. And if there's any guys listening right now, you know where this leads. Of course, Isaiah caught feelings. And what I did is what everybody does when you catch feelings, is you kind of bottle it up for a long time. It's like, I feel it, but I'm too scared to tell this person. I'm too scared to be rejected. Surprise, surprise. And what I did is for months and months, I was living constantly in regret because I wanted to tell her, I wanted to potentially explore what that could mean for us romantically, but I was too scared to do it. I was choosing to acknowledge fear of rejection more. And eventually down the line, and I'm really proud I did this, one day I said, you know what? I want to know. So I went up to her and I asked, hey, I have some feelings for you. I could see this potentially being something. What do you think? Could this be something? And she looked at me dead in my eyes and said, no, I do not feel that way about you. That hurt, but it hurt for 5 minutes. And after those 5 minutes, I felt such a freedom, such a feeling of one, confidence and pride in myself. And two, freedom because now I knew. Right? I didn't have to live in regret because now I knew there was never an option there. Instead of thinking in my head, oh, there's potentially this opportunity with Denise, it wasn't a thing because it never existed, you know? And when I look back on my life, there are so many people, so many opportunities that I wanted to take but was scared to take because I was listening too much to a fear that disappears 5 minutes after you talk to somebody. How much different could my life have been? How much more fulfilling could my life have been? How much more fulfilling could your life be? So that is a big lesson I want to leave you with today. And again, say it with me. Rejection fades, but regret lasts your entire life. So the next time you want to approach somebody, the next time you want to talk to a stranger or put yourself in a situation where you could be embarrassed or judged or rejected, put those feelings aside. Put it in the shelf, throw it away, lock away the key, and instead think about the regret that you might feel if you don't go and approach this person, if you don't say hi, and if you don't take that opportunity. Because once you do that and flip it on its head, it's going to be so much better for your life, and it's going to lead you to live a life that is fulfilling, that you are proud of, that is confident, and it's the one you deserve to be living. So that's what I want to leave you with. I hope it inspires you to take action in your life. I hope it inspires you to do things that maybe you wouldn't have done otherwise. But above all else, I hope it inspires you to keep connecting. I've been Isaiah. I hope you have an amazing day. Good luck and take care.